today's video, I'll show you how to find your W-2 on TurboTax for 2025. Start by visiting the official TurboTax website and signing into your account. Once logged in, go to the home page and select 2024 Taxes to access your current tax documents. Next, navigate to the federal section, then click on Wages and Income. Here you'll find the Job W-2 option. Click it, then select Add/Edit W-2 details or make updates to existing records. This step is especially important if you have multiple W-2s or recent changes. Finally, review your W-2 summary, which provides an overview of all your forms in one place, helping you catch any errors before filing. And that's it. Your employment income information is accurate, making tax season smoother and less stressful.